Pro means before or forward. So prokaryotes refers to cells that do not have nuclei. So it was before the nucleus developed. So this is like bacteria and stuff. Procrastinate basically means to put off until later. So you move something forward in time. It's like, well, I'll do that later. So you're procrastinating. Progress kind of means to move forward, to make progress towards something. And then promote basically means to move forward in like a company or something like that. So you'd be promoted to a higher position. Proto means first or earliest. So protocells, these were the first earliest cells. These are before prokaryotes. These are before bacteria. These are basically like cell membranes with really not much in them. So protocells. Protostar is basically a star right before it actually starts to undergo nuclear fusion. So it's a baby star. Prototype is like the first of something that's made. So you make a prototype of something to see if it works. So protoplasm is a semi-fluid, viscous, translucent colloid. So it's a mixture. Um, this is the essential living matter of all animal plant cells. Basically, it consists of water, proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, inorganic salts, etc. And basically, it's differentiated into the nucleoplasm, which is the liquid in the nucleus, and then the cytoplasm, which is the liquid in the cell. Pseudo means false. So pseudopod basically means false foot. So this is things like slugs and snails. They have a false foot. Pseudoscience refers to false science. So this is things like astrology, things that sound scientific, but they really aren't scientific. And then pseudonym is a false name, like a pen name that an author might use. Then graph or gram means to write or to draw. So grammar refers to the way the language is put together and different rules for the language. Graphic is sort of like a drawing of some sort. Diagram is a drawing of how something works or is put together. And then graphite is pencil lead, which we would use to write and draw things. And then photograph literally means to write with light. So this is a picture. And then pter means having wings or fins. So pterosaurs are winged reptiles. They existed during most of the Mesozoic, from the late Triassic to the end of the Cretaceous period. The earliest vertebrates known to have evolved powered flight. Dipterous refers to having two wings. So these are things like flies. Also having two wing-like parts of certain seeds, we call them dipterous. So di means two, so two wings. Pterodactyl is really means winged fingers. And that's a common name kind of given to pterosaurs. And then helicopter, we kind of know helicopter is a helix refers to sort of spiral. So this is basically spiral wing. So the helicopter basically has a propeller on the top and a propeller on the back, and that's basically what keeps it in flight. But really, helix refers to like a spiral. So spiral winged.